What is a real estate investor? This term is thrown out there all the time. Just go into YouTube or Google and you'll see, become a real estate investor and get rich quick. Or, anything about real estate investors and invest in real estate. And they think people think it's just this crazy thing that's unattainable and millionaires and billionaires, they're investors. No, let me ask you, are you an investor? Do you own stocks in a 401k or like a 457 plan or an IRA? Did you maybe open up an account with Charles Schwab or Ameritrade or Robinhood, right? I think that's you're an investor. Do you own like gold and silver? Did you go and buy some gold and silver coins? You're an investor, right? You're a coin investor. Did you invest some money into a classic car because you think you want to fix it up and make it more valuable? You're a car investor, right? So what is a real estate investor? We are people that take some of our money and instead of buying paper stocks or gold coins or cars or Bitcoin, right? We purchase real estate. That's really the only difference. Can you become a real estate investor? Absolutely yes. What it takes is a little bit of money and some borrowed money to buy a property. Have you ever bought a house? Maybe you live in a house that you own. Maybe you don't. But if you own a house, you're kind of a real estate investor, right? You put money into a house. You took some money and you borrowed money from a mortgage probably, and now hopefully that house is going to increase in value. It's not really an asset because you're living in it and it's not paying you, but it's the same process. You can take some money, borrow some more, buy a house, rent it out. You are now a real estate investor. Is it get rich quick? Absolutely not. Is it get rich eventually? Is it secure your financial freedom for the future? Absolutely. Right? Most real estate investors are just mom and pops. They own 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 rental properties. Maybe they own a commercial storefront, right? And that's it. We're not talking the millionaires and the billionaires. Anybody can be a real estate investor. And that's what we like to do. We like to help people become real estate investors, and we purchase properties for the purpose of building value in them and either selling them or renting them so that we can create generational wealth for our families. That's all a real estate investor is. Taking your money and investing it in real estate as opposed to coins, cars, stocks, bonds. Think about whatever else you might invest your money in. It's very simple, not very complicated. If you have any questions, give me a call. I'd love to buy your house or teach you how to buy your own. All right, have a great day.